In this video, I will be showing you which Canva fonts look like chalk. Let's get started. I'll begin by adding a text box to my blank canvas and duplicating it several times so we have plenty of room to test out different styles. I'm just quickly stacking these paragraph text boxes down the page to create a clear list for comparison. Now I'll select the first text box and open the font menu. I'm searching for Six Hands and selecting Six Hands Chalk, which has a wonderful, authentic texture. For the second one, I'll search for Cabin Sketch. This is a classic choice that looks like a hand-drawn sketch with plenty of internal detail. Moving to the next one, I'm typing in Rustic and choosing Rustic Printed to get a bolder, weathered look that mimics heavy chalk pressure. Next, I'll search for Bureau Script and select Bureau Script Plus, which offers a thinner, more elegant handwritten feel. I'm also going to try Homemade Apple, which has a very natural and casual schoolroom vibe. For a script option, I'll search for Breathing. It's a beautiful flowing font that looks like it was written with a liquid chalk marker. Now I'll search for Jayagiri and choose the sans rough version, which provides a more structured but still appropriately textured appearance. Next up is Burton, which has a nice balance of being clean yet slightly distressed. I'm also searching for Laundrina Sketch, which features an outlined shaded look that's perfect for titles. To round out the list, I'll look for Finger Paint, and finally Coming Soon, which is a very legible and friendly option for any chalkboard design. To wrap things up, I'm going through and adjusting the sizes and spacing of these text boxes. By enlarging them and moving them around, you can see the unique grain and character of each font. These are definitely some of the best options available in Canva if you're looking to achieve that perfect chalk effect for your projects.